The most of the time when we capture the photographs, the unwanted things comes in the middle. So today we are going to see how to remove those pixels or those disturbance effectively. So let's start. Look at this image. In this image, the two sides of this image is covered with rocks, and I personally feel that is not required for this kind of compositions, and because of that my composition is not coming properly for me. And if I try to crop this image, that is also doesn't work here because still the rock part is existing over here. So what I can do for that? So that's what we are going to discuss today. So if I want to remove this rock, the traditional way normally we used to do with help of clone stamp tool or spot healing brush tool, but it doesn't work over here. Copying the pixels from here and try to fill it, and I don't think so it's going to work, and it will take a lot of time for you to do it. So to remove this rock from this image, the first thing I need to select the rock. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the laser tool, and I'm coming over here and I'm just selecting. Once you finish the selection, go to edit, fill. What you can do, you can select content aware from the fill and click OK. Now the Photoshop is automatically calculating the surrounding pixels and it's trying to fill over there. Now look at the image, everything is removed. So same way I'm going to select the second one and edit, fill, content aware over here. Everything is removed. Now the image looks perfect and clean. So this is how we can remove the unwanted things or unwanted pixels from your image effectively. And the 90% of time the content aware option works perfectly for you. And if it is not working perfectly for the first time, what you can do, you can select the area again and you can fill the content aware over there. So again Photoshop automatically calculate the pixels and fill it over there. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back with another amazing video for you. See you. Bye.